Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Don't Disturb mode in your XIAOMI Mi 9. To enable this mode, just slide upper bar one time and a second time. Go to the right. Don't distribute mode is like here, just press and hold it. It's a name like silent on DND. So regular is all sound will work normally like that. You can choose the silent option. Got it. Your calls and notification will be silenced. And DND silence sounds and turn off vibration except of the alarms. So you can allow incoming calls from person which you always want to contact. Notify abort repeat calls, restrict floating notification, and schedule turn on time if you want to day by day to enable this option. Go back to regular. Of course, you can instantly turn it on by pressing one more time on DND, and that's it. Press it to disable it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!